This sentence odu.
Rearrange the words to frame meaningful sentence.
A sentence odu.
Animal kind be to.
Be kind. To animals. Second one.
Johnny dog my pet I call.
I call my pet dog Johnny. Third one.
Kill not animals do
not first. Do not kill the animals. Fourth one.
Animals in forest wild the are.
Wild animals are in the forest. Fifth one.
Tiger's family cat belong to the.
Tigers belong to the cat family. ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರಿ. God. Noun bari. Her conduct is good.
Conduct
verb ಕೆಳಗೆ.
Yesterday.
YESTERDAY. I play football. Second one verb. Next, the farmer hopes for. Next verb. I returned from Bangalore. ಓದೋದು.
Read the following sentence careful and fill in the blanks using the opposite of the words underline.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಅದಾವು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್.
ರೂಡ್ ನಿಂದು ಜೆಂಟಲ್ ರೂಡ್ RUDE. ಮೋರ್
ಲೆಸ್.
ಫಾರ್
ನಿಯರ್.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಇನ್ನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್